Chanel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've been a subscriber, first of all, I just want to say thank you. You guys are always so loyal. Y'all come back after my 5-month hiatuses and all the crazy things that I do. But I'm so glad to be back with my very first video in a while, and it's because Jackie Aina just released her brand new palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I couldn't be more proud of Jackie. I've been following her for a while, and it's just really admirable to see her progress and the things that she's doing in the beauty community. This palette was for us, by us. The colors are beautiful, they're vibrant, and they are catered to brown skin women. And I really appreciate her as an influencer to really promote and advocate for brown skin girls all over. She stayed very true to herself throughout her whole YouTube journey. She's so black, and I absolutely love it. So I'm here to give you guys a look using it. So let's get into the packaging. Absolutely phenomenal, stunning. It's like, I don't know if this is like crocodile or if it's alligator, reptile. I don't know what this is, but it's like some type of really pretty animal print that's holographic and it's gold, and I mean, it gives you all the good feels. Really cute here. It has her logo and of course Anastasia there. And then when you open it, you have the palette here. Again, so beautiful, gold, iridescent. Like you can tell it changes according to however you change the palette. But just overall, girl, you did it. I'm so proud. Oh, and then you get a cute little travel bag. Like they really put a lot into this, and it's just good to see. It's just really, really good to see. The colors, like I said, are absolutely phenomenal. I've been using it for about a week now on my clients, on myself. So I did a poll on Instagram and I asked you guys on my story what type of look that you want to see, something fun or something spicy. You guys chose something fun, so we did the purple look here using a couple of shades in the palette. I'm really excited. I hope you guys like it. I got my top on from Shop Paris Chanel. Yes, I'm doing a shameless plug because this is about me too. You can get it at shopparischanel.com. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first color that we're gonna go in with is Edges, and I'm actually just gonna use the brush that came with the palette, and we are going to place that right in the crease. It's a matte burnt orange, really nice, especially for my deeper tone girls. And I'm just gonna blend it out nicely. Circular motions. Really, really great payoff as far as the pigmentation. I actually wanted to do a matte look for the actual video, but you guys chose purple instead, so we're just gonna roll with it. Boom, that's really it. So I'm just gonna like flick the excess off, and I'm gonna go in with Credit, which is like a deep dark brown. So this is Credit right here, and I'm gonna place that right below just to kind of add some definition to my eye. And I'm just blending these colors together just to add some depth. Really, really great payoff. I actually love this palette. I haven't bought a palette in years. The last Anastasia palette I bought was the teal one. I can't even think of the name of it right now, but that was the last one. But I'm really excited about this one. So next we're gonna go in with Big Wig, which is a really pretty purple. And I'm using a tapered like blending brush for that. Now, I don't know if you picked it up on camera, but it does get a little messy, but it's not like really bad. I know a lot of you guys get annoyed when palettes have a lot of like powder pickup, but it doesn't really honestly bother me. Now I'm getting a little fallout, so I'm gonna really quickly take some of my translucent powder. I'm gonna sweep that off and I'm gonna apply it underneath. And this is from Laura Mercier, just the OG original, nothing new. That way I don't mess up this flawless foundation that I did, and I'll probably do an updated foundation video soon. I'm not really sure when, but I'll put that down on my list. So going back in with Big Wig, I'm gonna actually like mix Credit and Big Wig together. So we are really close to being done. Like, this was a really super easy eye. I'm trying to also keep my videos like at a minimal length so y'all can watch the full thing. Y'all don't get bored. So next we're gonna go in with the color Shookington. Now this color, it almost has like a black base, but it's purple. It's really pretty, very shimmery. I'm using my MAC, I think this is 239 for that. Really pretty. And my brush is just, it's not damp. It's dry. And I'm just kind of packing that color on. So just to like intensify the color just a little bit, I'm gonna take some setting spray just to dampen the brush. And I'm going back in with Shookington. It has like an iridescent shimmer to it as well, so you can kind of pick up on it more, I feel, when you dampen the brush. Now I'm gonna take this, now this brush here, y'all, I'm gonna find the link and I'm gonna put it in the description. I got these brushes from Amazon. They've been like a holy grail for me for like the last few years. This is their Pro Crease brush. So sorry I don't have the number, but I'll put it down below. But I really like this brush. I'm gonna pick up some more of that Credit and Big Wig, kind of mix them together. And place it at the outer V. Smoke it out a little bit. So now using the brush that came with the palette, I'm gonna go in with this color here, Ginger, to kind of blend everything together so it looks really nice and seamless. I'm gonna start here, and it's like a light caramel brown. Do y'all say caramel or caramel? Do you say caramel or caramel? I don't know, caramel, caramel. This is a really fun look. I don't typically do a lot of colors, so I let you guys choose, and this is what y'all got. I like it though. And just going back in with Shookington, going over the lid. I guess I could use this. Do I want this? I'm gonna go for it. So I'm gonna take Trust Issues here. And I'm gonna place that in the tear duct. Oh, I like it a lot. So I was gonna cheat and put a highlighter there, but I'm gonna stay true to the palette and Jackie, and I'm gonna use the shadows in the palette. So Trust Issues, it's like a iridescent, like gold. It's a little chunky, but it's still really, really pretty. I'm gonna kind of blend it in. All right, so that's the eye look. I'm gonna go ahead and, ooh, I didn't know that it still had translucent powder on there. I was really planning to sweep it away. Good thing it's translucent. And sweep away that. So I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Lacquer Liner in Blackest Black, or number 171. And I'm just going to line the lash line. Boom. We're done with that. So I'm just gonna apply. I'm not gonna do, well, I'll take it back. I might do a colored liner at the bottom. We'll see. So I'm gonna apply my lashes off camera and I'll be back. All right guys, so I'm back. I've already popped my lashes on, and I'm gonna take this Infallible Long Wear Eye Pencil by L'Oreal. Place that in my waterline. I really like this one because I like the texture of it. It goes on really creamy and dark. Kind of reminds me of those eye coals MAC has. And next, I'm just gonna do my bottom lashes. I'm using the Maybelline Lash Discovery, the mini brush mascara. Now this mascara is perfect, especially for getting those hard to reach bottom lashes. Super, super small. And I hate when you use like a big one and you accidentally get like mascara under. You don't really have that issue with this one because it's so small. It's mini. It fits right under. So next we're gonna do lips. I'm gonna be using this Jordana lip liner from Walgreens. I run out of, like, I literally lose every single lip liner that I get. I don't care when, how, where, I always lose it. So I bought this on a whim and I like it. And the lip that I'm gonna be using today, it's from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the color Milkshake. It's a liquid lipstick. I'm such a gloss girl, so I'm gonna have to, I thought I was gonna wanna go matte, but I gotta go gloss. And this is just Beauty Supply gloss. I don't invest in clear glosses because I run through them so much, so Beauty Supply me all day. Alright guys, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Alright guys, bye. And cut. Thank you guys so much for and again. These little flips of can't get them to stay. Alright. Hey guys, I'm Chanel and welcome back to my YouTube channel.